So good afternoon to all. Hope you're doing great. So in this video, we'll be discussing about Tata Motors share. So we know that previously when we have discussed about Tata Motors, so I've done the complete technical analysis and also we have discussed what are the latest updates. So in that particular video, we have discussed that 314 rupees level is going to be a very important level, and if it crosses that and if it closes above it, then only we discuss that it will continue the positive trend. And today in Telegram group also I have put the technical chart and I told you that it is approaching the 314 rupees level, and if it crosses that, definitely you will see some bullish momentum. So after that it has gone to 320, but again we know that market was little volatile, so again it has come near the 315 rupees level and it is taking support at that particular region. So what is the immediate target? So that is very important. So I have not discussed that in Telegram. So today in this particular video we'll discuss what are the immediate targets of Tata Motors and also what are the updates especially regarding the CNG kit and also the operations in Maharashtra, so how they are going on, so what are the statements given by the company. So we'll try to find that. So video will be very interesting, so watch the video till end, and if you're new to the channel then definitely subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon to get instantly notified. Okay, so before starting the update, so definitely join the Telegram group, so that in Telegram not only we are discussing about stocks on regular basis, but for positional and swing trade, so I'm providing on regular basis so that you can earn some good profit in a short span of time. Okay, so starting with the update, so you can see Tata Motors plans to foray into CNG fueled passenger vehicle in the segment financial year 2022. So it is planning to put in few models of Tata Motors filled with a CNG kit. So ultimately with various dealerships, especially in the PV segment, so in that particular they're trying to put a CNG kit. So already we know that it has some familiarity in electric vehicles, so comprehensive PV portfolio with ICE and EV options for customers to choose from. So our customers also have the option to get CNG kits filled at the dealerships. So our customers will get a factory allotted CNG option for some of our model. Chandra said. So who is Mr. P. Chandra? He is the president. Okay, so these were the basic updates that were released yesterday. And coming to the operations, how they are running in Maharashtra, so the company has officially declared that there are no hurdles currently happening, so all the operations are going very well without any problem. So that's why today we have seen some bullishness in the stock. So market was volatile, so that was only the one of the reason why stock has fluctuated. Okay, so coming to today's traded quantity versus deliverable quantity, so you can see roughly 5 crore shares have been traded, and you can see roughly 1 crore shares have been taken into deliveries, and you can see percentage wise you can see 18.78% deliveries were taken, so little less but comparatively pretty good as compared to previous trading sessions. Okay, so most important thing is the technical. So our intention is to find out what are the immediate possible levels of Tata Motors. So clearly you can see first when it was respecting the 50-day exponential moving average. So that time clearly I told to average at that particular level, especially near the 280 rupees region. So when market had shown a very good correction, so clearly we discussed that it is an opportunity for us to add in these type of stocks. So after that we know that it was facing resistance near the 300. So considerably when it has crossed the 300, so you can see now it is near the 314 rupees level, and you can see it is facing the resistance near that, and today also it has tried to go above it, but it could not sustain because of the market volatility. So currently it is near the 314.50 and it has given the closing above it, so that is pretty good. So considerably the next immediate resistance you can see here is near the 320 region. Okay, so after crossing this 314 320, so if it crosses that, definitely it is free to move, completely free to move. So after that 340 can be seen in this particular stock. Okay, so that is the levels, basically support and resistance. If you come down and see money flow index also, you can see that has come to mid range and it is near the 52 region, not completely in oversold, not completely in overbought, mid range. What does it imply? That momentum may be seen in coming sessions. Okay, So that was in 1 day chart. So in 1 week chart also you can see the stock has been taking the support of this particular pivot, that is 288, very well. So it was able to sustain there and the buying was also seen at that particular levels. So here also you can see this is the particular region 314 where it is facing the resistance. So considerably closing above it is very important. So that is what we were expecting even in the Telegram group. So if it closes as usual, we discussed it is free and immediately 340 can be seen, which is the next resistance for that may be seen in the coming sessions also. So definitely watch for these two resistances, and supports wise as usual you can see 310 is a very good support where you can, if you want to have a fresh investment, so you can try at that particular levels. And same way moving averages are also coming closer to each other, so little patience is required in it. So obviously after showing a continuous rally, so this particular break is necessary, so healthy movement is necessary, so completely it will start going up. So here also you can see money flow index is near 73, so that is also fair enough. So earlier it was in little overbought region, so now it has come considerably down. So these are the basic levels, so watch them clearly. So further if you're having any doubts, you can message me in the comment section, or for any queries you can also message me in Instagram. So Instagram ID is Stocks Diary YT. Okay, so until then, take care, bye bye.